Picture this: a world of eternal darkness, where the weight of the entire ocean presses down with unimaginable force, where temperatures hover just above freezing, and where the only light comes from the eerie glow of creatures that have never seen the sun. This is the deep ocean, Earth's last great wilderness, a place so alien that we've explored less of it than we have the surface of Mars. And in this hidden realm, life has evolved in ways that defy belief. We're talking about creatures that look like they were dreamed up by mad scientists, bioluminescent nightmares, gelatinous giants, and predators with teeth sharper than razors. So, let's take a plunge into the abyss and meet some of the most bizarre, terrifying, and downright fascinating animals that call the deep sea home. First, let's talk about the anglerfish, the stuff of deep-sea nightmares. If you've ever seen a horror movie about the ocean, chances are this thing made an appearance. The females are the real stars, or should we say, the real monsters. They have a glowing lure dangling from their heads, a built-in fishing rod made of bioluminescent bacteria that dangles in front of their mouths like a sinister lantern. Unsuspecting fish, drawn to the light, swim right into the anglerfish's jaws, which are lined with teeth so long and sharp they can't even close their mouths all the way. But the real horror show, the males, they're tiny, barely the size of a finger, and they don't hunt. Instead, they latch onto the female like parasites, fusing into her body and living off her bloodstream for the rest of their lives. It's one of the strangest mating strategies in the animal kingdom, and proof that truth is stranger than fiction. Then there's the giant siphonophore, a creature so bizarre it's hard to wrap your head around. At first glance, it looks like a single, long, string-like animal, but in reality, it's a colony made up of thousands of individual organisms, each with a specialized role. Some are responsible for stinging prey, others for digestion, and some even act like tiny motors to help the creature move. Together, they form a single, coordinated superorganism that can stretch up to 130 feet longer than a blue whale. Drifting through the darkness like a living net, the giant siphonophore is a reminder that the deep sea doesn't play by the same rules as the world above. If you're looking for something that looks like it came from another planet, the borelli fish fits the bill. This deep sea oddity has a completely transparent head, with its glowing green eyes floating inside, like marbles in a fishbowl. Scientists believe this adaptation helps it see prey swimming above while remaining hidden in the inky blackness. Its eyes can rotate inside its head, allowing it to look upward without moving its body like a submarine with periscope eyes. It's one of those creatures that makes you wonder how evolution even came up with such a strange design. Now, let's talk about the vampire squid, a creature with a name that sounds like it belongs in a gothic horror story. But despite its terrifying title, this deep-sea dweller is actually pretty harmless. When threatened, it doesn't attack. It performs one of the most bizarre defensive maneuvers in nature. It flips itself inside out, wrapping its spiky arms around its body like a cloak, forming a protective shield. And if that doesn't work, it releases a cloud of glowing mucus to confuse predators before jetting away into the darkness. It's like something out of a magician's playbook. Now you see it, now you don't. But if we're talking about real-life sea monsters, the frilled shark is a strong contender. This ancient predator looks like something that time forgot, a nightmarish cross between a shark and an eel, with a mouth full of needle-like teeth arranged in rows like a conveyor belt of doom. It's been around since the time of the dinosaurs, earning it the nickname the living fossil. Unlike most sharks, which rely on speed and power, the frilled shark strikes like a snake, lunging forward and swallowing prey whole. Its teeth are so sharp that even a glancing touch can slice flesh. If there's one creature that proves the deep sea is a realm of prehistoric horrors, this is it. Then there's the black swallower, a fish with an appetite that's bigger than its body literally. This deep-sea glutton has a stomach so stretchy it can swallow prey twice its size. Imagine a snake eating a watermelon, and you're on the right track. But sometimes, its ambition gets the better of it. If the black swallower eats something too large, the prey can start decomposing before it's fully digested, filling the fish's body with gas and forcing it to float up to the surface. It's a fatal case of overeating, a reminder that even in the deep sea, greed can be deadly. And then there's the immortal jellyfish, a creature that seems to have cracked the code to eternal life. This tiny, unassuming jellyfish has a superpower. When injured, sick, or simply aging, it can reverse its life cycle, transforming its cells back into their youngest state and starting over. In theory, this means it could live forever. cycling between youth and adulthood indefinitely. Scientists are studying it in hopes of unlocking the secrets of aging, but for now, it remains one of the ocean's most mind-bending mysteries. The deep sea is a world of extremes, where life thrives in conditions that would kill most other creatures. It's a place of endless wonder, where every expedition reveals something new, something stranger than the last. And with over 80% of the ocean still unexplored, who knows what other nightmares or marvels are waiting to be discovered. So the next time you look out at the ocean, remember, beneath those waves lies a hidden universe, full of creatures that defy imagination. And if you think we've found them all, think again. The deep sea is Earth's final frontier, and its secrets are far from being fully uncovered. If you enjoyed this journey into the abyss, don't forget to press the notification bell because the ocean has plenty more stories to tell. And let us know in the comments, which of these bizarre creatures shocked you the most. Until next time, keep exploring, just maybe stay out of the deep.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.